So let's move to how do we prevent the AI system from applying existing social, economic, or cultural inequalities? So there's a question to Jean-Pascal.
Yeah, so first at Uber, we are an AI-first company. Machine learning, as it used to be called, or AI is really core to the company. In terms of product development, over the last few years, we have really built systems in place to really ensure that we support all communities. For example, with very concrete products such as Uber Teens, where we address the needs from families, from children to go from point A to point B, or Uber Senior, where here as well, we try to simplify the way the app works to make it easier to understand for senior people, elderly people to move from point A to point B. So all these elements are really embedded in the technology that we develop. Product inclusion is part of all the product development life cycles we put in place. If I use the example, for example, of food, let's say African cuisine on the Uber Eats app, we need to ensure that we put in place a system that can recognize very quickly, is it Kenyan food, is it Ethiopian food, or is it food from Ivory Coast? The nuances are important, and we can, thanks to technology, also ensure that might sound small, but that from the day one, we have the right products, the right processes in place so that people can feel, yes, that's actually what I want. I know this type of cuisine, and that's correctly built from day on as a system. So all of this is really a part of how we try to ensure that typically from a product perspective, AIs are included in our products. If I use the example of geographies as well, we are present not only in main cities, but more and more over the last few years, we have also expanded into suburbs, ensuring that we can also provide mobility services for commuters. We need to go to downtown, so we need to ensure that we cover the needs of different age generations and different people, both in, let's say, high-end areas, but also in more popular areas as well.
Thank you very much.